Hey guys, welcome to the channel. As always, we're looking at this diesel deep clean conditioner stuff. We talked about a few products. What I'm doing here is that every oil change, which will be about 15,000 kilometers, or not 15, yeah, about 15,000 kilometers, I do an oil change. So then I'll drop one of these guys in. So I just did an oil change and I dropped this guy in. This Lucas Diesel Deep Clean claims better power and a little bit more boost in your fuel economy. I actually am pretty happy with this stuff. I did notice a slight difference in power, not a whole lot, but just it was maybe a little bit of a notice there. Where I did notice a big difference with this stuff is the fuel mileage. Just to give you some numbers, before I was getting about 39 miles a gallon, which is actually 6 liters per 100 kilometers for those Canadians. And after I put this Lucas in, I noticed a big difference, which was surprising. I was getting about 43 miles per gallon, which is 5.5 liters per 100 kilometers. The best I saw was 54.70 miles per gallon, right down to the decimal. That was the best I saw, which is actually 4.3 liters. As far as distance per tank, it's a 60-liter tank, which is actually about 15 gallons to fill it. Filled it right up to the top. Usually my light for you know, when your light comes on, when your fuel is low, whatever. That's what I did. I drove it I zeroed it out, my mileage, and I drove it right till the light came on. So usually my light would come on, again, these are just rough numbers, but about 480 miles, I would get my light blinking on and telling me to fuel up, right? So, which is about 775 kilometers. After I put this Lucas in, I noticed a difference. The light came in at 516 miles, which is pretty good. Which is, you know, what is that? An increase of, if you do a quick math on it, we're looking at an increase of about 36 miles on a tank. That's, to me, I'm going to say that's excellent. I did not expect that. So definitely one of the cheaper products too. I think this was about $10 a bottle, around there. I'll get actual prices next time I pick this stuff up, but I think it was it was one of the cheaper ones. I emptied out the tank at 565 miles. That was pretty much bone dry, and I needed fuel pretty bad. So that's conversion on that to kilometers is 910 kilometers. So that's the review on this Lucas stuff. I'm impressed. I would recommend somebody to go try it out and put it in their diesel. For me, I poured the whole thing into the tank. I like it even better than the Seafoam. The Seafoam does work pretty good too. This Power Service diesel fuel stuff, this stuff was pretty expensive at about $20 for it, and I found that it didn't really make much of a difference. So I'm not a big fan of it, but might work better for others. But right now, to me, this stuff is definitely right at the top right now. So my next oil change this will be a little bit of a delay between videos, but next oil change, I'm going to read up about this one and do the recommended additive for it, how much to add or whatever. If it's a full amount for the tank or whatever, I'll figure it out, and we'll do a review on it, see how good it is. And then the third one will be this Gen 490, which is pretty expensive. So we'll see how that one goes. But as always, guys, thanks for watching. And this is a diesel review on different types of fuel additives and conditioners and cleaners. So thanks for watching, as always, guys, and we'll see you on the next video.